Mutation, a DNA dice game, is part of the Playing Games with DNA series of games and animations. SNPs, SNPs, is an acronym for single nucleotide polymorphisms. SNPs are variants of one base in a DNA sequence. This can lead to a different amino acid in the protein coded for by that sequence. SNPs are DNA variants that occur in 1% or more of the population, while regular mutations occur much less frequently. SNPs likely originated through errors in DNA replication or other types of early mutations. So let's see how a single base change can affect a polypeptide. The following sequence reveals the central dogma, how codons in the DNA template strand are transcribed to form a messenger RNA, which in turn is translated to form a protein. This is detailed in Playing Games with DNA animation, Introduction to the Central Dogma. Here, in the central DNA codon, the base G is changed to A. This will change the RNA base from C to U. The resulting protein will now have lysine in place of the original arginine. A single base change like this SNP can lead to an abnormal protein that can cause a disease. So let's play Mutation. Shake and throw the DNA dice. Arrange the DNA dice 1, 2, 3 to form a codon, in this case GAA. Find the sequence GAA on the genetic code conversion chart. GAA codes for glutamine, or E, worth 12 points. Cross E off the datasheet. The game continues until someone fills their datasheet or time is up. Now look at the different diseases on the datasheet. The HB1A SNP causes a blood disease. The ACTA1 SNP causes muscle disease. The KR12 SMP causes an eye disease. The Hexa SNP causes Tay-Sachs disease. The CHRNA1 SNP causes skin and joint diseases. Now you're having fun and you're learning about SNPs and diseases, the significance of a single base change in DNA, and about molecular genetics, and so much more. So read the game book. There's lots more gameplay as well as details about SNPs. Mutation, a DNA game, is only available from Carolina.com. Mutation was invented by Danton H. O'Day.